Why don't we tell secrets in a bank? Because it's full of tellers. Now that we're warmed up with a little humor, let's get serious about business. Have you ever thought about earning money while you sleep? Well, investing in the stock market might be your answer. Consider this scenario. You buy shares in a business and become a part owner. As the company grows and profits, so do you. This is where dividends come into the picture. Dividends are a portion of a company's earnings handed out to shareholders, often in the form of cash or extra shares. It's like a thank you from the company for investing in them. Not all companies dividends, but those that do typically distribute them quarterly. It's a steady income source with the potential to grow over time as the company's profits increase. However, there's always a caveat. Investing in stock market carries its share of risks. It's not a guaranteed profit, and the value of your shares can fluctuate. So always do your homework before jumping in. Investing in the stock market for dividends is a fantastic way to earn passive income. But remember, it's crucial to do your research and understand the risks. Next, let's consider high-interest savings accounts. These are not your run-of-the-mill accounts. High-interest savings accounts are a type of deposit account that pays a higher interest rate than a standard savings account. You deposit your money, and like magic, it grows over time thanks to the magic of compounding interest. Now, the benefits are quite clear. Firstly, it's a completely passive form of income. You're earning money just by having your savings sit in the account. Secondly, it's a low-risk option since your deposits are usually insured up to a certain amount. But remember, not all high-interest savings accounts are created equal. You'll want to look at the annual percentage yield, or APY, to see how much you'll earn in a year. Also, be aware of any minimum balance requirements or fees. Earning interest from a high-yield savings account is an easy and low-risk way to generate passive income. Imagine making money from your unused space. Intriguing, isn't it? Here's how it works. You have a driveway that's empty most of the time, or maybe a portion of your land that's not in use. You can rent these spaces out for parking or other purposes. It's a brilliant way to make use of your idle resources. The beauty of this strategy lies in its simplicity. It requires minimal effort and maintenance on your part. All you need to do is ensure the space is available when needed and collect your payment. It's a steady stream of revenue that keeps flowing with very little input from you. However, always be mindful of zoning laws. You don't want to run afoul of any regulations. So, before you start, check the laws in your area and make sure you're in compliance. Renting out space is a fantastic way to earn passive income with minimal effort. Your car can be more than just a vehicle. It can be a source of income. Imagine this. Your car, sitting idle in the driveway, is making money while you're at home. How? By renting it out through online platforms. It's a simple concept similar to Airbnb, but for cars. You set the rates, you set the schedule, and voila, you've got a passive income stream. Now you might be wondering, how much can I earn? Well, it depends on factors like the make and model of your car, its condition, and the demand for rentals in your area. But the potential is there, and it's real. There are a few things to keep in mind, though. Ensure your vehicle is in good working condition, and always verify the renter's driving license and insurance details. Remember, protection is key. Renting out your car is a flexible and potentially lucrative way to earn passive income. Let's talk about turning your empty space into a money-making asset. In the modern world, many people find themselves with more belongings than they can comfortably store. That's where you come in. If you have unused space in your home or property, you could be sitting on a potential gold mine. Imagine this. Your garage, attic, or even an extra bedroom could be generating a steady stream of income each month. You can offer these spaces to your neighbors or folks in your town who need a safe place to keep their excess items. And it's not just limited to people you know. There are numerous online platforms where you can list your space for rent. The beauty of this passive income idea is that it requires minimal effort on your part. Once you've set it up, it's a matter of collecting rent each month. So renting out storage space is an excellent way to earn passive income and make use of unused spaces. Ready to play big? Let's dive into rental properties. Rental properties are a classic form of passive income. It's all about buying property. Whether it's a single-family home, a duplex, or even a whole apartment building, and then renting it out to tenants. The rent you collect can cover the mortgage and other expenses, and anything left over is profit straight into your pocket. But the real beauty of rental properties doesn't stop at the monthly rent. Over time, the property itself often appreciates in value, which means you're building wealth while also generating income. It's like having your cake and eating it too. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Investing in rental properties requires a good understanding of the real estate market. You've got to be able to spot a good deal when you see one. That means analyzing potential rental income against mortgage payments and monthly expenses like taxes, insurance, and repairs. Finding the right area to invest in is crucial. You want a place with strong rental demand, where the rent is high enough to cover all those expenses and still leave you with a positive cash flow. To do this, it's worth building a relationship with an experienced broker who can send you promising listings. Think of it like a game of chess. You've got to plan your moves carefully, always thinking several steps ahead. What's the rental market like? How easy will it be to rent out and keep rented? All these factors come into play. But once you've got everything lined up, you can sit back and watch as the rent rolls in month after month. It's a game that requires skill and strategy, but if you play your cards right, the rewards can be substantial. So why not take a step into the world of real estate? It might be just the passive income source you've been looking for. With careful planning and understanding, you could be on your way to financial independence. Investing in rental properties can provide a steady stream of income, but it requires careful planning and understanding. Have a knack for creating engaging content? YouTube could be your goldmine. Through the YouTube Partner Program, creators can monetize their channels and earn revenue from ads. But what does this process entail? Let's dive in. Firstly, you need to meet some basic requirements to join the YouTube Partner Program. One requirement is that you need to accumulate 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months. And you also need at least 1,000 subscribers. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply for the program. Now let's talk about ad revenue. When you become a part of the YouTube Partner Program, ads can be displayed on your videos, and you earn money from these ads. The more views your videos get, the more potential there is to earn ad revenue. However, the amount you earn isn't solely based on views. It also depends on the type of ad shown, the length of the ad, and other factors. But how can you increase your ad revenue? The key is to create content that resonates with your audience. This could be anything you're passionate about or good at, whether that's cooking, gaming, fashion, or anything else under the sun. The important thing is to create content that provides value. It could be entertaining, informative, or both. The more value you provide, the more likely people are to watch your videos, and the more ad revenue you can potentially earn. Furthermore, it's worth noting that YouTube also offers other ways to earn money, such as channel memberships, merchandise shelf, super chat, and more. These features provide additional streams of income, further enhancing the potential of the YouTube Partner Program. In conclusion, the YouTube Partner Program offers a great opportunity for creators to earn passive income. However, it's not an overnight success story. It requires creating engaging content consistently and building a dedicated audience. But with passion and creativity, the potential to earn is limitless. Earning from YouTube requires dedication and creativity, but the payoff can be substantial. Let's delve into the world of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is essentially the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. It's all about spreading the love for goods or services and then earning a piece of the profit for each sale made. There are three key players in this game: the merchant, the affiliate, and the consumer. As an affiliate, you're the connection between the merchant, who owns the product, and the consumer, who you're guiding towards the product. It's a win-win situation, as the merchant gets increased sales, the affiliate earns a commission, and the consumer gets a product they desire. Now, if you're wondering, how much can I potentially earn? The answer is, it varies. It depends on the product, the commission rate, the conversion rate, and how much traffic you can drive. But rest assured, with the right strategy and a sizable following, the earnings can be significant. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you can do it at scale. A typical salesperson can only sell products from one company. But as an affiliate marketer, you can promote products from many different companies and earn commissions from all of them. To get started, you need to join an affiliate program. There are many out there, but a popular one is Amazon's affiliate program. It's open to everyone, and you can create personalized links to products that you like. If someone clicks on your link and buys that product, you get a commission for it. Now let's summarize the key points. Affiliate marketing is promoting other people's products and earning a commission from each sale. Your potential earnings depend on several factors, but with the right strategy, they can be significant. To get started, join an affiliate program like Amazon's and start promoting products you love. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn passive income, especially if you have a large online following. Have a skill people want to learn? Online courses could be your answer. This is a way to package your expertise into a teachable format that others can purchase and learn from. The beauty of online courses is that you create them once and sell them over and over again, generating a steady stream of income. The potential earnings can be substantial. But remember, the key to a successful online course is offering something of real value. It should be a topic you're passionate about and knowledgeable in, and most importantly, it should be something that others are willing to pay for, a solution to a problem or a skill they want to acquire. Once you've designed and developed your course, you can host it on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or even on your own website. Remember, the more value you provide, the more successful your course will be. Creating online courses is a great way to share your knowledge and earn passive income.